Hello all, welcome to Price Fashions and this is Ali. Today we are going to see some Murshidabadi silk, all hand block printing, hand painting, and some Bishnupuri silk. This is also hand block and different kind of print, and some Gachi Tussar. So I will start with this sarees. So I will start with the Murshidabadi silk. This is the saree number 1. It's a very nice color. It's a deep peach color. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and there is the upper border, and this is the lower border. It's a skirt part running throughout the saree, the same design. It's a actual hand block discharge print. This is the pallu. It's a very nice color combination. It's a maroon and indigo color. It's a discharge print, and see the work. It's a very intricate fine outline running throughout. It's a very traditional border running throughout the saree, and there is a blouse. It's a 1 meter blouse. It's a full 1 meter printed blouse, because the body is plain, so that's why we have given a full printed blouse. The saree number 1, the price of this saree is 3350. Now saree number 2, it's a combination of green and brown. It's a kalamkari print. It's a best quality Murshidabadi silk. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and this again the same pattern, one side border running throughout the saree, and brown color borders piping is there. This is the color combination. It's a very nice color combination, and it's a full kalamkari hand block print. It's a discharge print, and there is a blouse. It has got the same printed full 1 meter blouse. The price of this saree is 3350 rupees. Saree number 3, it's a light color, sky blue color body. This is a pallu, and this is the full all over printed, all over same running throughout the saree. See the design, the color combination. It's a very nice color combination. It's a shocking pink border, and this is a pallu. It has got the blouse, so 1 meter blouse and border is there. 3350. Now this is a deep color turquoise blue. See, this is a pallu and shoulder design. This is a pallu of the saree. It's a triangle pallu, and this design will come to the shoulder. This will come to the shoulder, and there is a dawn temple design running throughout the saree. And it's a parrot green blouse. There is a parrot green blouse, and the border is there. It's all pure Murshidabadi silk, all silk mark certified. 3350. It's a lavender color. It's a very light shade. This is the pallu of the saree. It's a maroon and pink, and the body color is lavender. It's a hand painting running throughout the saree, all over same print, same design running throughout the saree. This is the pallu, and it has got the blouse. It's a maroon color blouse, 1 meter, with the pink piping border. Now we are moving towards the Bishnupuri silk. This is a very beautiful pink, and it has got the corner to corner kalamkari print. See the print. This is a pallu, and it's a corner to corner design. It has come like this, rising pallu, and there is a one rose motifs are there throughout the saree. It will increase like that. It's a very nice color combination, black and pink color running throughout the sari, the same design, and it has got the black color blouse and print is there for sleeves. 3850. It's a pure Vishnupuri silk. Now again in the same pattern, rising pallu in different combination. It's a very beautiful color. It's a light, I can say it's a light sky color. See the design. It's a rising pallu, corner to corner. This is the design. And it has got the again black color blouse with the border is there for sleeves. 3850. Now the again peach color. The quality of this Vishnupuri silk is very good. See, this is a pallu stripe, and throughout the sari it's a hand painting. It's kind of Chinese floral. It's a very nice color combination, shades of grey and shades of maroon are there running throughout the sari, all over same. This is the design. It's a very pretty design, and it has got the blouse, 1 meter plain blouse is there. Now this is yellowish green. This is a different kind of color. It goes with the green also and the yellow, so it's a greenish yellow. See the pallu, it's a hand painting. This is the pallu, and it's upper border and lower border running throughout the sari. It's a very nice, it's kind of kalamkari block print is there. See the design. It's very pretty. This is the pallu of the sari, and it has got the 1 meter blouse. The 1 meter blouse and the border is there for sleeves and back. 3850 of the price. Now it's a Bengal Ajrak print we have done in Vishnupuri silk. See the print. This is the pallu of the sari, and all over same. See the border. It's a very light steel grey color background, and the combination, as you can see, the Rani with the blue. See the border also. It's a very nice print running throughout the sari, and it has got the 1 meter blouse and border is there. So now I'll start with the Gachi by Gachi tussar. As I told you, these designs are very in, so I'm trying to make in different combination. This time again in a yellow and a lavender color with sea green. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. It's a one side panel design. These are all silk mark certified. We deal in only in pure silk and tussar. So this is the combination. It's a mustard yellow, and this is a pallu running throughout the sari, the same design. It's a hand painted running throughout the sari, and it has got the blouse. This is the lavender color blouse. It's a very nice color, unique color combination we have done. The price of this sari is 5,600. Now again Ajrak print on Gachi by Gachi tussar. These are all our new collections. These are all exclusive designs. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and the design is a lavender color, base color lavender color, and this design, as you can see, the royal blue and rani color. It's a very nice Ajrak print. It's done in West Bengal. It's not from Ajrakpur. It's all done in our own factory. This is all hand block printing. And there is a blouse. It's a 1 meter blouse. Plain blouse is there. Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we upload the video, you will get notification. Now again, Gachi by Gachi Tussar with hand painted. See the painting, the paisley is painted, and we have done a hand painting also. This is a pallu of the sari, and see the design. This is the upper part, and both the paisley will come to the down part. This is the look of the sari. This is the hand painting. It's a very nice color combination. Painting has been done on Gachi by Gachi Tussar. See the blouse. This is the blouse, royal color, royal blue blouse with the red color piping is there. 5,600. Now again, Gachi by Gachi Tussar. Gachi by Gachi means which produce in West Bengal, that tussar quality, which produce only in West Bengal, that's why, and the quality of the material is very good. This is again a gun spray all over the body. Then we have done a hand block discharge print. It's a corner to corner design. See the print. It's like embroidery, but it's actual discharge print. It's a shades of green, turquoise blue, grey throughout the sari, and this is a pallu. It's a corner to corner design, and it has got the blouse, 1 meter blouse, and the border is there for sleeves. 5,600. Now again, Ajrak print in different pattern. It's a pallu and shoulder design. This is a pallu and shoulder design. See, this is the pallu of the sari. It's a triangle, and this will come to the shoulder part. It's a mustard yellow. It's not very bright. This will come to the shoulder part. It's a Ajrak print. See the color combination, it's very nice. And there is a pallu and shoulder design, and this dawn border running throughout the sari, and it has got the contrast blouse. It's a royal color, royal blue blouse, and the border is there for sleeves. Now it's a magenta color. Just see the quality of this sari. This is a pallu. It's a hand painted, and stripe border, and the design, this design running throughout the sari. See the design. And there is a blouse. It has got the blouse, and stripe is there for sleeves. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we upload the videos, you will get the notifications. This is the pallu of the sari. It's a pink color, light pink, and See the design. It's a deep pink. On light pink we have done a deep print. It's a Rani color print running throughout the sari, and this has got the pallu. This is the pallu, and there is a blouse. So it's not a pink, it's a light mauve color. It's a light mauve color, not pink. 5,600. Now the another sari, it's a light pink. It's a very pastel shade pink. It's a self print. It's a Rani color block print. This is a pallu, and this is the design. It goes running throughout the sari. This is the pallu, and it has got the blouse. 1 meter blouse is there for sleeves is also there. 5,600. Now again the Gachi by Gachi, it has got the stripe border, zari border. It's a half and half design. See, this is a pallu, it's a gun spray. Then you have done a discharge print. This will come to the pallu. The body is plain, and it has got the striped 10 line zari stripe is there. And the half sari, this is the half sari. This is the half sari block printed. It's a discharge print. This is a half and half. Pallu, body, and this will come to the pleats. And it has got the red color blouse. This is the blouse, and border is there. Now it's again Gachi by Gachi with the zari border. The last sari of this episode. This is the pallu of the sari. It's a combination of pink and black. This is the pallu, and this is the body. Running throughout the sari, the same design, and it has got the pink color blouse. So this is the. If you like the saris, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. Whenever you upload the videos, you will get the notification. And kindly take the screenshot if you want to book the sari, and WhatsApp on the given number. It's 829-689-7264, and the other number is 98300367110. Thanks for watching.